Before going any farther, first of all, make sure you got two layers, that you paid attention, that that bottom one's locked. And then let's save our file. Command S. And let's navigate to the MasterPixel file. Then I'm going to go to List View and sort by date modified. So my PSD file's right here. I want to give the Illustrator file the exact same name. Illustrator is smarter than Photoshop, because when I click on this, Illustrator says, I'm not a PSD, I'm an AI. I know what I am. So Photoshop got some catching up to do, and I let the head of the Photoshop project team know about this and a few other bugs when I got to talk with him one-on-one up at Adobe this summer. So we'll see if that gets fixed in the future. So go ahead and save that, say OK. And now we want to change the color of these circles. But before we do, they have to just be circles. They can't be this square here. So let's select them all. I'm just going to hit Command A to select them all, and then come up to Object, Expand Appearance. Now when we click on that, notice how the selection went from that large one that encompassed all the squares to simply now these are just circles. So I want to use the eyedropper to sample the circles here, the background color, so the circles are all the same color. The eyedropper, I was looking for it when I was stumbling, because I just hit the letter I. If you see the shortcut there, the letter I is the shortcut. So if I hit I get the eyedropper tool. This works in Photoshop or Illustrator. And then with that selected, I can click right here in order to sample that color. Now, I want to select this next circle, but I don't want to go up here and click and click and click and click and click. So if I hold down, if I hit the letter V, I switch. But if I hold down the Command key, I temporarily get the selection tool. So I can, holding down Command, I can click, let go of Command, click, click, click. And you can see this is going to take, probably a whole minute to do all these. I'm not going to make you watch me. I'm going to come back in the next video, and this is all going to be done. So you go ahead and do that too.